Welcome to the full guide on how to sell on Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform. To start selling on Binance, you need to create an account and complete the verification process. This involves providing identification documents such as a passport or driver's license and proof of address. Once your account is verified, you can deposit the cryptocurrency you want to sell into your Binance wallet. You can do this by selecting the deposit option, choosing the correct cryptocurrency, and copying the deposit address. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. After depositing your cryptocurrency, navigate to the trading platform and select the market where you want to sell your cryptocurrency. For example, if you want to sell Bitcoin for USDT, select the BTC USDT market. Next, choose the type of order you want to place, such as a limit order or a market order. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to sell, while a market order sells your cryptocurrency at the current market price. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell and confirm the transaction. Make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming. Once the transaction is confirmed, the sale will be processed, and the funds will be credited to your account. You can then withdraw the funds to your bank account or use them to buy other cryptocurrencies on the platform. Best practices for selling on Binance include setting realistic prices, using stop-loss orders to limit losses, and staying up to date with market trends. It's also essential to understand the fees associated with selling on Binance, which include trading fees and withdrawal fees. In conclusion, selling on Binance is a straightforward process that requires a verified account, a deposit of the cryptocurrency you want to sell, and a clear understanding of the trading platform and order types. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sell your cryptocurrencies on Binance and achieve your financial goals.